Mugasomu ya umwancho murigere bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii ekerongwege na litkoria ondigenderete ko bari toererukegima ekerorire litkoria Jumamosi kitariki 24 cy'omutyenyi o 12 omwaka no igwechi Ibere na 22 nekinga kibono abanainchi bagenderete kwyarigania asomuyega bwesuguku bose Christmas Day yorire litkoria ankyo kitariki 22 na Isano cy'omutyenyi o 12 kwegena kwabere go kwego kyabyana boigo ekero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere tedo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia erionkomanyibona narayana kwariganirie asenchera ere yobwinge yana bakondera gotonyara SMS ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube tonyara wetra Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo tweetwetra @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yeto nigora tonyara wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gokomanya na boigo gusanga manke eriotariane Everlyne Osero urito kubwatrana nere kwene kyawe kera sensemo imanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kabana ntwikomoerio Mancho muliengo kwariga ntochaka maye Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge asengo kumanyabuna omurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigaba keirembia abaibori asemirememi yabagokora yo kubarenda abana babo eriokorosia egesa kwa kyamambi okwana chinga kyecho Ruto boigo nigatebire buna eserekali ningego chia kweneke yabekire mirobere saine yo kweneke abuna abana babere bakorendwa asenchira ebwenerete.
I know many parents go out of their way to be able to provide for their children, to be able to protect their children, to be able to feed their children, to educate their children, to mentor their children. I tell all parents in Kenya, the job you are doing as you look after your children and the children of our society, our community and nation is a noble responsibility. And I want to say we appreciate as government what the parents are doing to look after our children so that our nation can have a future. Tutahakikisha kama taifa ya kwamba sheria ambayo inalinda haki ya watoto ambayo tulipitisha hivi majuzi, tutahakikisha kwamba serikali itaweka mipango kuhakikisha ya kwamba hakuna mtoto Kenya ambaye analelewa vibaya ama anaumizwa ama anafanyiwa vibaya either na wazazi ama na mtu mwingine yeyote. The Republic of Kenya will protect all our children. So tutashirikiana hivyo.
Mwancho muriere ribonaya nigago cha ekero engana yogokonurwa kwa maiso ko mwana junior sagi ni omwana bwi myaka 3 kugenderete koreta ebirengerero naboigo obwoba ase abanainchi togotkana nayo nigo munyakerogo bwe kyombe ky'abochori ne chimbebe IBC wafula Chebukati akwanire igoro yobokoreri bwaye ase egeka kye myaka 5 namo abeiro bisibno munyakerogo korengana na Chebukati amakongu na manke aberiga korekana ase IBC yo korende obeire kagotena bokongu kwene kyabuna emirimo yaye yaberege gwikiraniwa buna ebwenerete okwana chinga kibakoretege ikaro amo neobisi yobutereri bwe byama eri okwana regoro bochori obonene bwo mwako yoga bwechirwe Ibere na 22 Chebukati nigatebete buna korengana nere nigo obochori bwo mwako yo bwabete bokoroberi wana gokorekana ase enchere bwenerete oigo nigaganirie oriora chekoira libagari yaye na goswabisi ase kyombekyo kwene kyabunanko ikiraniare obokoreri boro buyago chiase abanainchi.
Party primaries need to be done in a manner that is more democratic so that we avoid this avalanche of people running to be independent. We're also looking at the issue of party nomination rules and parties keeping to their rules so that members can be nominated in a structured manner. The 2022 election, we got funding in the last year of election. If the commission is to be funded, say, from the next financial year for the programs it have, registration of voters, yes, it's been tough. We went through challenges. But 2022 election was a success as far as the commission is concerned. It's an office that requires a lot of listening, a lot of understanding, and more especially, one must have thick skin. And I believe I've made my contributions. I have no regrets, and I believe that whoever comes in should pick up from where we have laid ground.
Nekera baremi babeire bagotwaro bwoba ase barachie koira emeri byabo magega yeserekali kwene kyabunanigo gusenigo barachiwanchera okoretwa wechibando korwa se Chinsa cheisko nigo bono omwaziri bwoboremi Mythical Nturi abeirega kwene keria baremi buno koretwa wechibando korwa se Chinsa cheisko tikogo chia koreta muchandonde bwensi ase bare nigo kwana chinga kiecho Linturi nigo ancheira baunchoreria kugora chibando omochere naboigo eskari korwase Chinsa cheisko askiri atairabna inenchire yemo yoko enekia bunanko kora bare ogosengo keya ne bare o rigori riendagera imese ya Kenya nabe gukoro muchando bwendagera oyogendrete kwenekiwa ase Chinsemo au.
We invite people to bring in these commodities. My ministry will be very keen. We are on high alert to monitor the inflows so that, and the production, so that we also do not destabilize the market or the marketplace for our farmers, and immediately we are able to ascertain the amount of funds that will have gotten into the country, that is rice, maize and sugar. I will not hesitate from stopping the importation. And whatever our farmers have in their farms, those that have been harvesting, they can only be able to sustain us in the month of January and up to around mid-February. Meaning, as we get to the month of March, we'll have serious problem of maize in the country. And now it is out of this reason that we decided to allow members again of the public, business people, or any miller who is able to bring in maize within the country, so that we are able to take care of the deficit.
Omosenato mochore korwase kiama kia UDA Karen Nyamu nigo ategete bosio obwe kamati kiamekyo eyo etenendete amangana yo koronge ya chimbwa bunabete kagochikwa kurengana ne kamati eyo Nyamu nigo ari geteri uko lyo gosaba amatukamentwe erianyore chinga kinyororo cyogo chia kwiraneria amaborio Nyamu nigo achigete wikabosio bwe komiti eyo magega ya chibicha chiaye kuranda aso mutandao asinga kyarenge kwegokya ekero ense ya Dubai echo chikoro kiabuna no kuborwa wechimbwa na boigo amaskani buno murai.
We have considered that letter and we have responded accordingly. We have granted her request for more time. So this matter, together with others that are pending before the disciplinary committee of the UDA party, shall be heard on the 20th of January 2022
Amateye mona boigo abarundi abechipigipigi korwa sensemo ya Malindi yo kutoka Imeye County ya Kilifi nigo baganirie oboene korokana kubatkana no koraswa risas no munyanyimbo omosao yomo oyoboigoro murundi abechipigipigi we myaka emeronke Ibere ne 5 ne 3 korengana kirori omunyanyimbo yo nigo amurasete omosao yo magega yo kumusana na koene kiwa egati yabo chingaki omunyanyimbo yo angetewa kana chibesa echo omusao yo abetega kumuimokeria nabona nigo baganirie oboene korokana na ekerobono tokumanyiwa buna omunyanyimbo yo nere nigabetega kwerusio bomoyo abori tukoria igoro.
Kasikia mtoto wangu amepigwa risasi na amekufa, amepigwa risasi na polisi. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba serikali haki itendeke, maana huyo ni mtoto ambaye nilikuwa nimemtegemea.
Hilo ni jambo ambalo kama mashirika ya kijamii hatutakubali.
Tusisingizie mambo ya kulewa, wangapi wanalewa, na kama mtu amelewa Kwa nini tuchukue sheria sisi ambao tuko katika kazi kumpatia bunduki mtu ambaye amelewa kwenda kufanya kazi? Kama mtu amelewa aachie ulevi kisha aje aingie kazini.
Kufuatia kisa cha mwanabodaboda mwenzetu kupigwa risasi hapo uwanja wa ndege Malindi, tunahuzunika na tunasikitika sana kwa sababu hatukutarajia kwamba kijana mdogo kama huyo anaweza poteza uhai katika mazingira ya kutetanisha. Kwa hivyo sisi kama muungano wa bodaboda tunalani tendo hilo. Hatukubaliani nalo kwa vyovyote vile. Hata kama kulikuwa na tofauti baina ya ofisa na bodaboda husika, zipo njia nyingi sana za kuweza kutatua mizozo ama mafarakano kama hayo.
MCA we wodi ya Kiambere yogotoka ime ya Embu Len Masters nigarurege kurege tindi gochiase baria bagusara abana banyaruka nabo igo baria bakotumeka abana chintatana ase uko bakorie mirime mekongu okwana chinga kiecho nigo aganiri abana boko gwachinga kinyororo erio kwenyorera chisemi ase boigo aburiria baraikoro senseme yo kweneke bunango sira barabana boko ekendera na masomo abo nanene ko baboria kubwaterana kwenekea magendero ase kaunti hiyo.
Kama uko na hiyo moyo ya kusaidia, tafadhali zaidia. Ukiwa unasaidia, si kuisaidia ikiwa mtego. Tuachane na hiyo maneno ya kufanya FGM. Wacha hao wasichana wakaa hivyo. Kwa hivyo hao watu wachungwe. They are the law enforcers on the ground. Wao ndio wanafaa kufuatilia mpaka wajue ni nani.
Umancho murire ya ibona narna kwariganiretie asemesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchirere yobwenge ekero ekingukenyore mna chikoraga Chinsa ikomya yomna yanda mange na indeno chikwenyora asenchira ere yobwenge ekero bono abarisaki baitu amangana Amayia gati ya bonde Mo Stephen na boigo Vincent Onyancha bagendrete weta Chinsemo au eriogo twariganiria amange keronde mako manyabuna ekyombe kyabara Chinsa chege Catholic nigo bagendrete kogikeria bururu igoro ye chimbwa chimbe ase Gusii nabono nigo baganirie aba Kenya bonsi nabo iganene aba menyikoro ase county ya Kisii kwene kiabuna nkoronge yabare chimbwa nabo igo kubwatia ringana lyo monene boigo nigo nkomanyi buna omubunge onyari bari chache za irijanda nigo achakiro muyega bose achakiro mu rubiro bwo koenana Christmas osesuguku ko cyase abamenyi bebunge yega gono nekero twarere nababwatani au nigo bagendrete kuruo bokonyi go cyase abana inchi bari anene batabwati gose bari babwato kugania bunenchire ya moyo kworokyo bwanchani na gusangana barabwo Christmas ikiga gono mancho murigere rigendera kubwate meroberion sigetaseni Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu mu Gusii bayekera ngo kumanyona nabo kwendera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense moja YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News nabo go tweetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yaito ni gora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre go kumanya mange eretria ne Everlyne Osero ulitoa kubwatira nere kwene kya wikira sense muyimenyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta twara uburigere borobya nabo igo mu basoro motoyereru.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omu Gusii
ine nomanyete eke wekia ora umwanogo noko mwachisemi chikerero bono Skyline Friends School nero lichibuliao ayo moiboli ne skuru ebwata borokia babwatu bumanyi boigo